Evening, everyone. I just thought I'd try and I got everything done today, so I was bored. So I thought I'd try and track the flight to see if it was an actual commercial flight. Miss Ridiculous. My friend who does know people who do work at Farnborough. I'm waiting for her to get back to me, but she's taken a while, so I thought, sod it, I'll do it myself. Right, so NetJets. I'm going to go all arrivals. Right, so that's right. So blah blah. I think if I remember rightly, they landed quite early. So 08:54. Well, I've never done this before, so what? Oh, well, that's just great, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Thanks for that, whatever you're called, Flight Trader 24. Right, so I'm guessing, everyone, it was this one here by Air. Right, hang on, let me just click on that. Right. Flight time. Landed. Right, so whatever the plane flight, I'm going to see if I can. No. I'm trying to, because on some of these things it shows you the picture of the plane or their logo, whatever. So right, where was we? Boston Air, Alsie. Oh, right. So that's it doesn't say if it's Fleet 9 aircraft, right? So I mean, I'm gonna Google in a second. I'm guessing that must be the flight. I'm guessing I'm on the right track here. Air Isle. Right, let's just see, because I want to see if it's actually commercial. Right. Oh, come on. Private jet, you all. Private jet. What a surprise. At Alsie, one of the world's most leading business aviation service providers, we offer you aircraft management and charter services that span the entire world. Wow. Our goal is to ensure that you make the blah, blah, blah. I want to make sure it's because, some of these, sometimes they do private jets and in links with commercial things as well. No, our fleet at your command. Right, so yeah, it was private jet. So everyone, if you don't already know, get the word out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you can be bothered, please share this, because confirmation now that they lied yet again. Honestly, just do they really think then we're never going to check these things? Right, arrivals. Hang on. Right, just to be sure. Right, Boston. So it's this one. Air Alsie landed 0808. There we go, guys. They lied again and claimed that they went commercial when they actually went private. Absolute lying pigs. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.